Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clay your windshield. Sometimes what happens is you're parked your car at a neighborhood and there's some painting activity going on, and all the paint particles get deposited on the windshield and the painted surfaces of your car.
Now, here is a close up of my Honda Jazz's windshield. Can you see those tiny white particles? They are actually paint particles from a recent painting activity of a tower crane from our shipyard. Guys, now check this out. We are going to turn on the wiper so you will see the difference. So you can hear that it's rubbing against those fine particles which are deposited on the windshield.
So the easiest way to get rid of them is to use a clay bar. Now I'm going to show you how to clay your windshield. But before that, you need to take care of some aspects. The first thing you got to do is, of course, buy a good quality clay bar. So for this, I've got WaveX's clay bar. So WaveX is a local Indian firm that makes very value for money and affordable detailing products such as car shampoos, clay bars, your polishing compounds and such. So 3 clay bars come in a box and they cost approximately 700 to 750 rupees. So this is a clay bar. It looks pretty much like a soap.
So you can see that it looks more like a soap, and it is neatly packaged in a polythene cover. But what you need to take care of is this clay bar should never be dropped on the ground, because if you drop it, you're just going to have to discard it, right? You can't use it again. So please be careful about that aspect.
So like I said, never drop your clay bar on the ground. And the other aspect is whatever surface you're going to clay. In this case, we're going to clay the windshield. You need to clean the windshield properly first. Use a combination of car shampoo and water and clean it thoroughly, because whatever dust and dirt particles are there should not get lodged into the clay bar. Our primary target for the clay bar is the paint particles. Okay, so that is the second part. And the third part is you're going to need a clay lubricant. Now the simplest clay lubricant is your car shampoo and water mix. So in a bottle or in a mug, have some car shampoo diluted with water. You need to sprinkle it, or you can spray it. Now I have a spray bottle, cheap spray bottle, and I filled it with the car shampoo and water. Spray it on the windshield, and you need to use the clay bar in a gliding to and fro motion. Never use circular motion when you are claying surface. You need to use it in a straight pattern, right?
So we have cut a very small portion of the clay bar from the main, it's like a quarter of it, and this is how it looks. You can mold it into any shape you want. So the first order of business is to
Sprinkle a little bit of soapy solution onto the windshield. Initially, you will feel some resistance, and as you keep gliding the clay bar, it will become softer. That is, the particles are getting enlarged into the clay bar. Now, just a small surface clean, you can see the particles that get lodged into the clay bar as you keep claying it. So what you need to do is you need to keep molding it.
Guys, so we have clayed the windshield. Now let me show you the difference when I turn on the wiper. I'll also give you a close-up of the windshield to show that all the particles have been taken out into the clay bar. Now let me turn on the wiper. Can you hear that? No noise. All the particles that were there on the windshield have now been removed by the clay bar.
So guys, I showed you how to clay your windshield. So in case your car is parked somewhere and paint deposits get onto the windshield, this is the easiest way to clean it. And WaveX makes some really nice products at very affordable prices. Please do give their products a try. So all the best. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.